Hey guys, it's Vonnie and Arilyn from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and welcome back to our channel.
And today,
what are we going to talk about today?
The birthday present.
Yes, today is my son's 7th birthday. It's Aaron's 7th birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, anyway, so I talked about my birthday traditions and what I do for our kids on our birthday. So you're about to see us making birthday donuts and having breakfast. And then Aaron will receive his birthday gifts. And then we're going to continue our third day. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aaron. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, puppy. You're 7. I love you. Good morning. How are you feeling today?
I'm tired.
How's it feel to be 7? You feel old, like Daddy? No. First, we have your morning present. It's just your morning present.
Cool, Aaron.
It's cool, Aaron. Like it cool. Now, this morning was not like a... Okay, so I don't want to just show the good because this is like a vlog, and I want to show real life because we can just put music over everything,
Candy.
show candy, and everything's happy, and then everybody thinks life is perfect, and it's not. Life's not perfect, and my life's not perfect either. So this morning I had to wake up. I woke up and had to take my mom to the hospital to get a blood transfusion. And then luckily, when I came home, the kids were still on bed. So I was able to wake up Aaron with a happy birthday song like I wanted to. Come here. What'd you find in there? Let me see. What is it? $20 bill. Get you started.
I'm so glad I planned that thing out.
What?
We're gonna eat.
What are we gonna eat?
We're gonna eat donut pancakes with sprinkles.
Donut birthday pancakes.
Oh, yes,
even better.
What's this? They are.
Look at the other one has a paper.
Yeah.
That one's the only one with that tag. Kaylee, this is from Kaylee. This is Kaylee's present.
There's little guys inside of them. Open them.
There's what, spawn eggs?
Yeah, they're spawn eggs. So this one has a skeleton. That one has a rabbit.
Funny. You will say that.
This one has an ocelot. And that was all the ones there.
What's
Oh my
that?
gosh, it's so hard to see.
That's So I didn't sleep much last night. I went to bed late, and then because I had a lot of things to do for today for Mom, and then I woke up at 4 this morning to give her meds, and then again at 7 to get ready to take her to her appointment. So Aaron, what did you request for breakfast?
Donut pancakes.
Donut pancakes. So donut pancakes with sprinkles. So birthday pancakes include a little bit of cake mix and mostly pancake mix. And we have a donut maker. So our neighbor gave us this donut maker once, and we use it to make pancakes. So it makes mini donuts. Oh, I said her name. Alexa, sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Alexa. Yeah. You like that? The first batch I didn't make right. Second batch came out really cool. So I'm gonna make the rest of them like that, okay? You get so many birthday songs today, Aaron. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aaron. Happy birthday to you. Don't blow it out yet. Make a wish. Blow. Hey.
Okay, wait, do it over again.
What? So good? Yeah. Oh man, the first birthday donut. See, we don't need the blah, blah, blah. Can't even speak clearly. Mommy's half asleep. Let's see, try the first. How you like it? Oh, you still eating your eggie? How is it? How is it? To die for. Little piece of heaven. Let's see. I want this one. Oh my gosh, that was good. Who's ready? Who's ready for their next birthday present?
Oh, me. Are you freaking kidding me? Those of viewers at home.
I know, I'm moving back.
Set her way.
I'm so excited. I don't know why. It's just like opening.
Going on.
Diamond one.
Yeah, baby.
Diamond one.
He needs one. Well, these are all Aaron's. Aaron's birthday. In a minute.
Whoa.
You like those?
Barrio. Giant.
One more.
For now.
It's mine.
I know. Hold on.
Remember you opened it last.
Remember, everything's Aaron.
I forgot to.
You're opening
You gotta
one.
always buy the toddler a present to open, and I forgot. It's okay.
Whoa.
It's for me.
That's from Marilyn. Oh, look at that.
I have to go with your slippers tonight.
Donkey Kong is there,
I
Daddy.
could have used that last night when I was trying to change you.
All right, sit here, Aaron.
Wait a minute. Wait a second. What's going on?
Hold it up so we can take a picture. Get the last present. Major. Close your eyes, Aaron. That one, we ran out of wrapping paper.
Are you kidding me?
Okay, open. Happy birthday. Now we take our hugs.
I'll take the hug anyways.
I love you, buddy. Happy birthday. So this is
Mommy,
Nintendo
I'm missing one.
Labo. She went like this with the one hand.
Take it off.
Nintendo Labo variety kit, and you can. This is with the Wii, with the
Wait, you
Nintendo
have to
Switch.
build it?
Yes.
There's dominoes.
To build the
baby.
piano, you have to build this thing. What is this, Aaron?
Fishing.
Fishing rod, a house, some like a periscope or something, and then oh look, this has.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
It's getting somewhere. Shows you. So they built this little thing, and if you can see Aaron's pushing, he's controlling that. This is one of the many sets that they're going to make and have made. Whoa! That's so cool. Does it do different things? That's weird. Hi, Mommy. Say happy birthday to Aaron. Happy birthday, Aaron. Aaron, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aaron. Happy birthday to you. Yes.
Wanna play some?
Yeah.
But he won last year.
You hear that, Aaron?
And the military is paying him 75 grand a year for the rest of his life. 75 grand a year. And he doesn't have to work or do anything. But he deserves it.
That's crazy. Kaylee just built this piano out of cardboard. That's amazing. How many times did you have a birthday today? Because you're going to hear it one more time tonight. Maybe more. Because I have to call Papa because he's working. He doesn't know what day it is. You ready to eat some tacos? Almost. I'll make them for you. Whose birthday is it?
Aaron.
Say happy birthday, Aaron.
Happy birthday, Aaron.
I love you, big brother.
Love you, big brother.
Oh, what do you love to do with Aaron?
Hug him.
Oh, you love to hug him?
Yeah.
Is he nice to you?
Yeah.
Does he take care of you and protect you?
Yeah.
What else does Aaron do for you? He's so cool, right?
Yeah, he is.
Yes.
He is? Oh, good.
He's the best, right?
Yeah, he is the best.
As requested by the birthday boy, Sako. This doesn't belong here.
What's the name of the song?
It's salsa music.
What's the name of the song, actually?
No, it's okay because she started messing up. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy. You playing, Arlen? You playing? That's so cute. Come look at your cake. Close your eyes. Look. You like it?
Darth Vader?
Yeah.
Does it like speak or anything?
I don't think so.
How did you get this?
I made it. I'm just kidding. I bought it at Publix. It's a lightsaber. Look at that. That's cool.
Oh my! I just touched it.
Yeah.
Kaylee.
Look at that. Kaylee.
Kaylee.
Yeah.
Oh, nice cake.
There it is.
May the force be with you.
Baby.
You made that for you. I made that for you. And I'm gonna do this. Whoa, whoa.
Before. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aaron and Marilyn. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Yeah, I know. That's why I said her name.
Another wish today. Another wish. What's your second wish?
Another wish.
What's that? Busting him up.
You're about to melt Darth Vader's head.
And
Yeah, go for it. You never done any of that. Now you said
cut the cake. Cut the cake. Cut the cake.
Cut the Darth Vader.
Yeah, you're moving out as of
Here.
next week.
That's a plate. That's a plate.
And good luck, man.
Cut the first piece.
Yeah.
Okay.
The other way.
Yes, kind of.
Here, let's do it this way.
Anyway, there will be some
Right here.
carrots.
There you go.
Spoons are more better.
I need one.
Uh-oh.
Here you go, big girl.
Is it yours? Aaron?
Oh, Aaron. Sorry, take the little one. Hey, buddy. That's a big piece
Wait a minute.
for a little guy.